Why did the Webull stock pull down so much towards the end of the day? But first, we predicted this in the yesterday's video. So if you haven't seen that, go see how we predicted. But basically, all it was is because it was overpriced. We made green candle after green candle 3 days in a row. And on the fourth day, it was so overpriced and we opened really, really green. That's how we knew. And also the moving average was the resistance. Most of the time, the first breakthroughs are a fake out and then it pulls back down. But where are we going from here? I'm going to be explaining that in this video. So let's break this down. Our high on the day is 1461 and our low is 1372. We're down 0.64%, which is not a significant amount. We basically just lost our profits on the day. But there's no reports coming out tomorrow, so nothing is going to influence this. That's not something we have to worry about. So jumping into the technicals, we created a higher high from yesterday, which is a good positive sign. But towards the end of the day, we pulled back a significant amount. Um, Basically, all it was is just overpriced. As of right now, we've started an uptrend pattern, which means we are now uptrending. But so the fact that we went up so much in the past 3 days, we knew there's a pullback coming, especially with this moving average right here interfering with it. Um, so my prediction for tomorrow, I'm honestly not exactly sure. These random patterns like this is kind of where you get into that territory where it becomes really, really hard to predict. And this is why we could predict when we were going up. We knew the resistances were there and we were breaking them. So we knew we started an uptrend pattern. So we jumped in on this and made money here. But then we also knew it's going to pull back because it was extremely overpriced. If you watch the previous video, it explains how we knew that. But once we pulled back, we didn't pull back all the way down. We're not oversold, but we're also pulled back enough to where we can continue uptrending. This resistance, this moving average is a little in the way. So honestly, tomorrow I would stay away from trading. I would wait for it to see if we're going to continue going up or to see if we're going down. I will open a trade if we reach this oversold area here. If we break support and come down all the way to 1355, I will open a position here. But if you are holding this and we continue going up, your overpriced zone is going to be at 1490, which is a bit higher than normal, but that's because it's so hard to predict right now. So we're going to give it a day and come up with another prediction tomorrow. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.